Gotta eat it now.
I'm not a chef, but I can cook. I'm very excited to sharing everyone about Cambodian food. This is our uniqueness. Today, this morning, I took my group to experience Num Banchok. Num Banchok is a rice noodle soup made from the rice flour, and this is very popular. We made our own rice, turning into the noodle, and you're putting that green fish soup into the rice noodle and serving the same vegetable that you like.
Yep.
My wife, herself Sunita, everyone in this town knows her family. We set up our own restaurant selling the best breakfast of noodle soup with duck. All the sauces and the ingredients that we use in Cambodian food, we grow locally. All the bamboo, basils and herb, rice, we just produce our own. Cambodia have a lot of beautiful things. Safe to travel, lovely people, lovely foods are waiting for you all.